Today is the best day for the average Aussie homeowner in over 4 years. The RBA has finally decided to drop interest rates by 25 basis points. Stick with me, guys. This is the only video you need to watch about how to navigate this situation. The last time the RBA dropped was in November of 2020. That's over 4 years. When they increased was in 2023. That's even a year and a half since there was any decision at all. Now, what does that mean for you? Most lenders will pass on some or all of this to you in time. Some might not even pass on anything. The biggest thing for you to understand is there is money to save that's on the table now, and it's most important to be proactive about it. Now, if you're anything like the average Aussie, you may have a mortgage of 600,000 and your interest rate might be about 6.19% on variable terms. After this news, our likely lowest rate is going to be 5.53% with over 3,000 cash back. That is a difference of around 0.66%. In savings terms, over 1 year, that's around 2,600. And over 2 years, if you factor in cash back and switching costs, that's almost $8,000. $8,000 of untaxed money back in your pocket for your family that you're just not paying to the bank needlessly. On top of that, that means your family's cash flow could be up to $100 better off per week just from acting now, which is fantastic news. Thing to really understand as well, refinancing does not set your loan back. It does not start anything over. It is your choice. If you have a mortgage at 27 years, we can refinance you to 27 years. In fact, we can refinance you to 20 years or even 30 years. And depending on your situation, all of these options can make sense. We're here to guide you through that. So in order to navigate this news, get in touch with us. Not only are we going to compare your mortgage, your rate against the best rate on the market, we're going to look at your borrowing capacity. We're going to look at what equity you have available. We might help you understand some options you haven't even considered yet, like buying another property, using your super to buy a property, or simply just restructuring your mortgage to the most efficient way where you're saving as much money as possible and you're set up for the future. So get in touch with us, click the link below. Myself and my brokers, we are stoked to help right now. We're so excited with the rate drop. Get in touch and we'd love to have a chat.